Hello sir. So in this video I'll be discussing the task 7.1 abstract transactions, which is a final step of our bank management system program throughout the semester that we have worked on throughout this semester. So let's discuss about it, how it works and the concept used to implement the task. So starting off with the abstraction, one of the key elements of object-oriented programming language programming techniques. So for abstraction, each class in the program represents an abstraction of a real world entity, basically of a bank of a bank management system, whereas account class abstract the concept of a bank account, encapsulating as you can see, the account class abstract the concept of bank account, encapsulating details like name and balance with the help of access modifiers to control the data integrity and control the access of data. Along with that, the transaction class defines an abstract implementation of the financial transactions by rollback and execute methods. So these are the basic methods in a base class, which is transaction class, and these methods are then used in other classes, in the child classes, where these methods can be used to implement their own logics. Moving further, I have also used encapsulation in this program, in this whole management system, where you can see that in account class, as we discussed earlier, that the name, balance, accounts and transactions is are using access modifiers. So access modifiers to provide the access to these fields as controlled through public, private or protected access modifiers, ensuring the data integrity. I have also used inheritance, the another key element of object oriented programming techniques. So inheritance in this program is implemented through a relationship between transaction and other two transaction classes, the transfer or withdraw classes and deposit class as well. As you can see that the parent class transaction is sharing properties to their child class, which is deposit transaction, transfer transaction and withdraw transaction. So they inherit common properties methods from the base class while providing their own specific requirements of implementations, as we discussed for the rollback, print and execute methods. Moving further, I also have used polymorphism, in which the as you can see, as we discussed for the abstraction as well, so polymorphism also allows objects of different classes to be treated as common objects of a base class, which obviously leads to dynamic method invocation, enabling flexibility and extensibility. So to implement that, to get that achieved, we have used polymorphism method, one of the key elements of the object-oriented programming techniques, in execute and print method in here of transaction class. As you can see that these methods and each derived class provides in its own implementations, its own logics to based on the user inputs. So this program allows these implementations of polymorphism abstraction allows program to execute transaction and print transactions details without knowing the specific transaction type at a compiled time. So that depends on the user input, and based on the user input, these methods are implemented by their own specific classes and provides result to the user. With that, my discussion ends here. Thank you.